Welcome back to the Chateau, everybody. It's a bit of an overcast day, so I am now going to go and do some work inside and get back to creating that massive master bedroom suite. So that's the wall, well that's that one done, that's the exterior wall. And I've got my ideas, my loose ideas for the colouring. So for those that don't remember or you are new, then there are some colours down here which won't show up in this because this property is so dark. Always is, but we're talking about a navy blue, some white and some gold. And it's a large area, so it can pull it off. But for those that don't know, this place was turned into a hotel back in the 70s. So I have opened up these doors again, which were closed for 50 years, give or take. So there used to be a wash basin and stuff here, and this was closed, so you couldn't get into that room, that'd be a separate room. And then this side, let's not be superstitious and walk under ladders. And this side had, come on, there we go. I've opened, that side had a little bath in it, which was, if you ask me, hilarious because it is just tiny, and that does go through to that pink bedroom on the other side. So the idea is we'll be able to open, I've got to just do some plumbing with this, and then cap it all off and be able to go straight through. I don't know which way round we should do it. I really don't know at the moment. A dressing room, a bathroom, which way, but I'm concentrating on this. Once I've got the decoration correct in here, we can keep the flow between the two and the variations of, but we're starting to get somewhere at the moment. It really is amazing how long such a simple job takes for the scale of this place. Right, so we understand what we're doing from the outside because you really don't get it. So there's a bedroom there, that one's a bathroom, and then what we are dealing with to convert to a master suite are these. Okay, so that's the dressing room at the moment, that's the master bedroom, that's the pink bedroom, and the interconnecting doors are there and there. So trying to turn that all into one big suite on the main floor. So basically most of the first floor, apart from, what else on the first floor? Bathroom, bedroom, there's a workshop, and then there's the office. So the first floor would literally be mine, or the master suite, shall we say. Now, obviously, my choice, I know this room very well, and I've spent many years, until the last couple of years, in this room, waking up in all seasons. So my choice of the navy blue, and dark blue with the white and the gold makes sense to me when I wake up. But as you can see, because this place was turned into a hotel, the lighting is, to be fair, the lighting is a massive issue all through this chateau, and especially for me, I like things really bright. I like being able to see. I know that's not everyone's tastes, but all of the lighting on the first floor in all of the bedrooms was floor standing lamps. Obviously downstairs, it's actually dark in a fair few rooms, even with the big chandeliers, and I try to put brighter bulbs and everything in those because I like being able to see properly. I don't like straining my eyes. I can't tell whether this room will still be cozy or I need to do something about the lighting. And I'll tell you what, lighting is something it's not a bit of me. So I'm asking for a bit of help. It's quite easy in that room next door, but it's just, it's just a bright bulb in a horrible hanging light, just a normal, pendant, and it would need something, depending on what that room was turned into, something would be needed to be done with that. This room, it is a floor standing lamp in this corner and 2 bedside lamps here, and this is even worse. This is truly terrible. It's just one there, and then there's the switch. Is it? Ooh. From when this was, they must have used it as a bedroom, and so it was just this little sink in the corner. It's certainly something to consider because I like it cozy, but if you're going to have all four walls a dark navy, and the only white is going to be obviously the window reveals, the framework, the doors, but the wood paneling, which is at the bottom. So the only other thing that's going to be taken away is obviously ceiling and then that mirror in the fireplace. I need to think about lighting to make sure it's not too bright in here, or of course too dark. It's trying to find a happy medium where the brightness is enough for me not to be straining my eyes when I want to spend more time in here, but I don't want to make it uncomfortable. A dressing room, you need lots of light. That's a different question, whichever way around that's going to be. But a bedroom, I don't know. I've spent a lot of time before here in London, and everything just had spotlights. That was the style. It was just, there were spotlights, many of them in every single ceiling, and you could see absolutely everything. And I don't think I want a chandelier in here. I think they should be saved for entertaining rooms. So I'm very, very, very stuck, and I would love for any of you that have a good suggestion to leave a comment, because I am completely stuck. This room is actually exactly the same room. The same size, ceiling heights, everything, because it's directly below it. The only difference is the chimney, so the fireplace is at a different end. Obviously, this is significantly brighter because it's got a big chandelier. And I don't know, although looking at this now with the brightness in here, I'm sort of thinking this is about as bright as I'd like the bedroom sometimes. But the only solution that I did have, because again, huge mirror, it's all the same size, it's just a different end in the bedroom. It's this end, see the windows there. So that's upstairs, that would be the one through to the little room. And then that one is the one with the bath in it. So the only thing I'm possibly thinking of is lights like this, something along these lines, either side of the mirror up there, which would then help with the extra light. But I don't know, because Lighting has never been something I've been fantastically great at. I will love to hear comments from you regarding lighting. I think it's really important to reach out to other people when you are a little bit stuck, and who knows what ideas you may have, which would be fantastic. I am going to get on with the stuff now, and then I'm going to get back to that room again tomorrow and hopefully clear everything through and get really somewhere so I can properly start seeing the colours. So, thanks for watching. Bye for now.